In this video, we're going to go through a couple of examples of what you might see in terms of factor theorem problems on Delta Math. So the first type of problem you might see is which of the following functions has a factor of x plus 6? So they give you the factor, and then you have four possibilities of what the possible functions could be. So if x plus 6 is a factor, right, that tells us a little bit of information. That tells us that f of negative 6 is equal to 0, aka there is no remainder if we do synthetic division. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to set up my synthetic division table. And now all of my options are cubic, so I'm going to just set up my columns. And I know I'm going to divide by x plus 6 each time, so I'm going to put negative 6 in. Okay, so I don't know. I'm going to start with, let's start with the bottom function. How about that? Okay, so I'm going to put in 1, 0, negative 52, and 90, right? And then just go through my synthetic division. I'm going to use a calculator because I'm feeling a little lazy today. Okay, so that's not going to work out, right? 90 plus 96 is not 0, so I can cross this guy out. Not an option. So all I'm going to do is erase the work inside my table and try another one. So you can go in order, or I don't know, I'm going to try this one now. So I'm going to put in 1, 12, 20, and negative 96. Sorry about my dog in the background. Okay, drop the 1, multiply, add down, multiply again, add down. Okay, negative 6 times negative 16 is positive 96, and that gives us a remainder of 0. So that means that x plus 6 is a factor of this polynomial right here. So I would choose this one as my answer choice. Okay. So the other type of problem that you might run into on Delta Math is the opposite, right? They give you the function, and then they want to know which one is a factor. So that means I want to find if I divide by these different binomials over here, which one of these is going to give me a remainder of 0. So I don't know what's going to go in my box every time, but I do know what numbers are going to be in the top row of my table for synthetic division. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up. So again, I'm just going to, let's just pick one. Let's pick the x minus 9 to start with. So if I divide by x minus 9, I'm going to put 9 in my box. And then I'm just going to do synthetic division. All right, drop the 1 and multiply. Add to get 15. 9 times 15 is 135. Add negative 31 to that, I get 104. Well, 104 times 9 is definitely not going to cancel out with negative 36, so I know that this one doesn't work. Okay, so erase the work. And then let's try another one. Okay, let's try x plus 4 now. So if I have x plus 4, that means I'm going to put negative 4 in my box for my divisor. And then we're just going to go through the process again. So again, I get here and I do negative 4 times negative 39. That's not positive 36, so I know I'm not going to, cancel it out. This is not a factor. This one does not work. We're going to get rid of all of this. Okay, so I don't know. Maybe I'll try this one now, the x minus 4. So if I'm dividing by x minus 4, I'm going to put a positive 4 in my box. Drop down the 1, multiply and add. I'm going to get 10, multiply to get 40. Negative 31 plus 40 is positive 9. And 4 times positive 9 is positive 36, which gives me my remainder of 0. So this tells me that x minus 4